It's 7 AM and today we're going camping. Today is World Cleanup Day, so before we can go camping, we are going to clean and then we can go camping. Alright, finished cleaning, time for camping. Can you hear that? Not the birds, not that bird. The sun beetles. It's very soft. That's indication that it's about 35 degrees outside right now at 4 o'clock. And we're in the spring, we're not even in summer yet. It's gonna be hot. Welcome to Summer Doopy Pan. This pan is literally 25 minutes drive out of Maun. And although Maun is a 10-minute town, like any other place, it can become a bit too much at times. And this is a, oh, that's a hole. This is just a place we like to come to vent sometimes. Just come out here. It's magical. It's an awesome place. And as soon as that sun starts setting behind that horizon, that's when the show starts. There's nothing around except sometimes we do hyenas. There's traces of elephants. We've never seen one. Maybe we're lucky tonight. And then your occasional cow. But this is the pan. This is where it's at. Animals do die out here.